Hello and welcome back to the channel where we are building a video game from scratch using Love2d and Lua. We're already dropping frames, so I hope Twitch doesn't crash on us, but we'll see. Okay, so we are adding sound effects to our game. Yesterday we added some UI sound effects, and we're looking to finalize adding the rest of the ones that Kane made for our game here. So looks like we have, wow, we only have two things. Now there was a thing I was supposed to do yesterday, the refinery. I don't think we added the sounds for the refinery open, so before we do that, we actually added the use potion already, so we're waiting on a new warp zone sound from Kane, but maybe we'll put in the old one now and just see how it goes, because Kane's stuff has turned out really good so far, so it might actually work. So let's see. Let's head to the refinery and see. Okay, well, we got the purchase sound, but not the selecting sound. So refinery. Do we have a purchase here? No. Okay, I'm looking for the selection update here in the refinery. I only see the action press. It's not very good. I don't know where the selection is happening here, because this is all on an action. It must be here in this active upgrade. So let's see what this active upgrade is. It is an upgrade element. I don't think it's that. Active upgrade. What is an upgrade element? Let's see. Okay, so in the upgrade element, this is kind of weird. Okay, no, I think this makes sense if every upgrade element is for its own, there's one for fire, there's one for water. So I think right here, if input is down, this is where we want to play our selection. And the thing is, we had two sounds for this SFX. We had down and up. So if we go here, and down should be this UI scroll 2. Up is going to be this UI select 2. So scroll 2 and select 2. So there's our down, and then we need up. And then we might need a last page kind of end. Are we like for sure crashed? Uh-oh. Man, dude, I don't know why the internet has been so bad lately. It's been awful. Okay, so if action is pressed and it's purchasable, go ahead and handle upgrade. That's where we make the sound. But if action is pressed and we can't do it, something else should come out, but I don't think we have a sort of like buzzer sound for like a you know. So let's just see if the navigation's working for the refinery here. We're just looking for little beeps when we go up, scroll up and down through the refinery. So we'll just take the shortcut up through the dark forest up here because the refinery is just up here. Okay. Okay, the one thing we need is like a boop. A boop right when we activate the element upgrade. So, where do we do this? We can't put it in the action detection here. Handle upgrade. We need to do it once we kind of reset the upgrade element. So let's check out the refinery state and see. We're just updating an active element here. Did we crash? Shit, man. Maybe right here. If it's not activated. Yeah. So we want the activate sound right here, which I think is, what do we call it? UI select. It's the same sound we use when we initiate a dialog box. Sound. What is it called? We might need to add little notes for... Dude, I hate that. Twitch will crash and then it wants to run ads right away because we just started the stream. Hate that. Then right when the ads are done running, it'll crash and then they'll run ads again. Okay, let's see. Oh, excuse me. UI scroll 1, that might be it for an active dialog box. Action is pressed and we're not meditating and we collided with the dialog box. Yeah. So I think it's that. UI scroll 1. So let's try that for the refinery and let's hear if we've got a boop upon the initialization there. Nice. Nice. Okay, I think it's good. Oh, we did get the upgrades for the Flamma, which is cool. Okay, I'm liking the push crate sound. I think that's cool. We have the potion sound, do we not? Yep, we've got the use potion sound. We might want navigation sounds in here. I don't exactly know though, because it could be too distracting. Like I want like maybe like a muffled beep for this, just like a dut 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 dut, you know. Not the tonal ones, but just like a little dut dut, especially for the swapping over. Okay. We barely blocked him. Nice, man. Okay. Okay, let's hear if the chest sound is in there. Yep. Cool. Sweet. Okay, so we still need the gong sound for the meditate. But other than that, I think we might be good. Oh my gosh, where is it, man? Okay, coin pickup, falling. We went down the list and we got everything. So warp zone is the last one. So let's hear what the warp zone sound effect sounds like. I wanted a different sound from Kane, so I think he's working on a different sound for it, but I might as well try it because he's been doing some really good work for us. So let's just try the warp zone. So let's see, warp zone. We're not playing it, so it's going to be a warp zone object when we do warp zone collisions. Warp zone. Okay, if we become warping here, we want to play our warp zone sound. Let's hear it. I didn't hear it. I did not hear it. Didn't crash. Warp zone, warp zone. Did we import it? I think it would have crashed if we didn't. Warp location. Oh, it's really quiet. Let's turn it up. Yeah, super quiet, dude. Jeez. Okay, let's hear it. That's probably too loud now, but let's see. You know, I don't hate it. It's too loud, but let's just change the warp zone loudness here in the dependencies. We'll just say that we set the volume of a warp zone. Warp zone. Set volume maybe 0.7. Let's hear that. It's too loud, and I just want it shifted, pitch shifted up. I think I want it to be higher pitched. I've never done a pitch shift in Adobe Audition. Let's see, filter should be called like pitch, time and pitch shifter. Let's try this. I mean, I am tweaking the sound destructively, but we've got the originals backed up. I just think a little bit of pitch shift would be good for it, and we'll turn it down just a little bit too. Let's hear. Sounds like it's doing it twice. We gotta put a warp zone back in there. Ugh. It's not looking good. Did we save this? Oh. What the heck? It did modify it. Let's see. Why does it puts a freaking dunk in there, dude? Okay, for now, we'll just leave it as is, because I think we're going to get a different sound for that. So let's just turn it down a bit and just leave it. So there is a warp sound. Dude, you can't run ads for 3 times in 17 minutes. I don't hate it. I really don't. We just don't have any rooms over here. Uh-oh. Shit. Dude, the game is funner with better sound effects. It really is. And we're done. Okay, you know what? I do like the shifting. Like, in my mind, it should be a little bit up on the pitch, but I don't think it's that bad at all. So, what do we have left? We've got I guess we can commit and then just take a look at what we've got left. So let's look at what we changed. Okay. So we added the UI scroll to the refinery state. We changed the warp zone loudness, added the warp zone loudness. We added the navigation and the refinery sound effects. And that's about it. But we have add UI sound effects for refinery. We can push it. Now the thing is, let's take a look at what we need to do. And I think we might have that over here. Oh my god. What do you want? What do you want? Can't sign into my own GitHub? Don't do that, don't do that. I can't sign in online, dude. Okay, let me just do this verification on GitHub Mobile. That's crazy. I can't just freaking sign in, man. Okay, we probably should have let this live on the repo, but this is what we've got. I mean, we have this, we just need to finalize these, right? So we've got the limited inventory done. The saving and loading isn't working for that just yet. And the new overworld sprites is part of this 10 to 15 collision detection for enemy entities. That is enemy entities to collidable wall objects collision that we need. And then we need to spawn geckos on Gecko Road. That's part of the 10 to 15 screens, which we have a general overview, but it's not polished. We need 2 villagers and the gossip in the refinery. I think we want that still too. I think we will add, we need to add the fisherman boat. What the heck, dude? And then we need saving and loading fixed for inventory system. And what else? New overworld sprites. Yeah, gossip NPC. I think that's about it. Oh, we need we do need a new refinery OST, which should be fun to create. Other than that, I think that's all we have left. So I think I'm going to call the stream. I've got to go do some stuff today, so we will find someone to raid out to and then call it a night. Oh, you know what? I'll run the credits real quick. Thanks for watching, everybody. I got to add Kane to the credits here. Let's see. Quellis is on. Quellis is on. We might just hit up Quellis. Yeah, let's hit up Quellis. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow. We'll get some more work done on the road to finishing the demo for Tashio Tempo. Hoping we can get it done in ideally a couple weeks. Hopefully not longer than a month to get it up on Steam for the demo, but it's coming together. We've got only a few things left, so I'm excited about it.